In this video, I will show you how to edit text in an image in Canva, or how to change text in an image in Canva using the Grab Text feature. Click on the Create a Design button. Choose the dimensions for your design, or select a template that suits your needs. Navigate to the Upload section on the left sidebar. Upload the image that contains the text you want to edit. Select the uploaded image on your canvas. Click on the Edit Photo option that appears at the top of the screen. In the editing options, find and select Magic Studio, then click on Grab Text. Canva will analyze the image and extract any text it identifies, creating editable text boxes over the original text. Click on any of the newly created text boxes to edit them. You can change the words, adjust font styles, sizes, and colors as desired. Once you are satisfied with your edits, click on the Download button at the top right corner of the screen to save your edited image. By following these steps, you can easily edit the text on any photo using Canva's innovative tools.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.